If you're watching this video, you're probably doing some research about the benefits of affiliate marketing for your business. First, what is affiliate marketing? Well, it's a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. But before we jump into the details, I want to let you know about my number one recommendation for making money online with affiliate marketing. Now, this has helped thousands of ordinary people like me generate income online through affiliate marketing. So I'll drop a link in the description below this video and you can check it out. All right, the first thing that we want to talk about here in the benefits of affiliate marketing for your business is this, that affiliate marketing can be an extremely effective way for you to grow your business. The second point is that affiliates can be very diverse in terms of the products and the services that they promote, and this gives you a wide range of options to choose from when it comes to growing your business. Point three is that affiliates are often very passionate about the products and services that they promote, which can actually lead to higher conversion rates for your business. Number four is that affiliate marketing can be a very cost-effective way to grow your business, as you only pay affiliates when they generate results for you. Number five is that affiliate marketing can help you reach new customers that you may not have otherwise had access to. Number six is that affiliate marketing can be an easy way to scale your business, as you can quickly add new affiliates to your program as your business grows. Point number seven is that affiliate marketing can help build brand awareness for your business, as affiliates can help promote your products and services to their audiences. Point number eight is that affiliates can provide valuable insights into what works and what doesn't work for promoting your products and services, which can be extremely helpful in fine-tuning your marketing efforts. Overall, affiliate marketing is a great way to grow any type of business by gaining new customers and increasing sales with minimal effort on your part. If you're looking for a way to quickly and easily grow your business, affiliate marketing is definitely worth considering. There are a few things to keep in mind when starting an affiliate marketing program for your business. First is you need to find affiliates that are a good fit for your business and that can build a relationship with you on an ongoing basis. Second, you need to make sure that the products and services you're promoting are ones that they're passionate about and will be able to effectively promote to their audiences. And lastly, you need to set up a system where both you and the affiliates can track progress and results so that everyone is on the same page. If done correctly, affiliate marketing can be an extremely effective way to grow your business by reaching these new customers while also saving money on advertising costs. So if you're looking for a cost-effective way to grow your business quickly, consider starting an affiliate marketing program today. Now, if you're an affiliate marketer and you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing the right way and turn it into a full-time six-figure income online, then check out the link in the description in this video, and I will give you my number one recommendation for getting into affiliate marketing. It's the exact blueprint for succeeding with affiliate marketing, the training, the mentorship from a team that's actually helped thousands of people start successful online businesses. So check it out in the link in the description below this video. There's no pressure, it's up to you. I hope you do great.